What's up, guys? My name is Ikena. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And yeah, it's been a minute. We were just behind the camera and we just took some time off because there's been a lot going on in the mind. There's been a lot going on in my life. I can't, say enough of that, to be honest. But as you can see, also my setup is changing, and I'm just constantly innovating and there's constant iteration going on with my life. And yeah, it can be uncomfortable. Change is very, very uncomfortable, but you just got to embrace it. That's the only way you grow, through change. Okay, so in this video though, I will be discussing the reasons you need to start a YouTube channel. I know there are so many videos out there speaking on this topic, but you haven't really heard it from a starter, from a new YouTuber or young YouTuber. I don't know how to put that. From a new channel, I'm pretty much just starting. My channel is very small right now. I don't have much subscribers or much views. I'm not even making money. I'm not monetized or anything like that. So this is going to be a different opinion, a different view from me, because many videos that you see talking about reasons you need to start a YouTube channel, how much I make on YouTube, all that stuff, those are bigger channels, those are grown channels, but this channel is still pretty new, and I would love your support always. You can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and yeah, let's just jump right into it without wasting time. The number one reason you need to start a channel right now is so that you can build a personal brand. This is very important because everyone would identify you with something. You would always want to leave a legacy or start up something that that shows your skills, that portrays your personality, that shows who you are. So you building a brand is very essential, because that's also the way you get rewarded. That's also the way you make money. If people are able to identify with you and relate with you, that's a brand you're building. That's a personal brand. Some people separate their channel from themselves. Maybe they do videos that are faceless. They're not showing their face. But if you're showing your face, congrats to you. It's more relatable. People can also identify with you, and they can identify with your struggles and what you're saying. And you building a brand means that you can get other sort of deals as well. You can partner up with a lot more individuals or a lot more companies. It's very essential for you to build a brand, because this is also going to produce, this is going to make you an authority in your field, okay, as well. So that's another reason you're going to be an authority in your field. You're going to be an authority in whatever you're talking about. If you're discussing dating like I am, you're going to be coming off like an authority in dating or in coaching. If you're talking about finance, I do that sometimes, you're going to be an authority in that. If you're talking about automobiles, if you're talking about anything at all, lifestyle, you're just going to grow into somebody that people can identify with. And that's a good thing, because you've been through a lot of things, okay? You've been through a lot of experiences. You've been through a lot of struggles. You've been through a lot of things that many people can relate with. So personal branding, very essential to document your life. I know that this aspect of it is more like it's not something that may necessarily be bringing you money, but that journey you're going through is like, it's very essential. It's also something that you can refer to many years to come. It's also something that your kids can identify you with, can watch your videos tomorrow, or if you already have kids, once they grow up, if anything does happen to you tomorrow, your life and your work is there documented on YouTube. Okay, and people can still relate with you. You can still be making impact even while you're gone. If you look at many of my videos before now, it wasn't like this, but at the time I started, I was making pretty bad videos as well, and I'm still growing. Like, this is continuous improvement. I'm never giving up. I'm always developing myself, coming up with better content, coming up with better videos, and just getting myself better and better, improving myself in whatever that I'm doing. So this is a very important aspect, to document your life and your work. You need to start a channel for this, okay? In that area that you're serving in, this is going to be your work. People would want to identify with your work, and that also ties into personal branding. seeing your work and seeing if you ever tell somebody, okay, this is what I do, and they say, oh yeah, show me, or how do I know, how do I identify, you can refer them to your channel. You can refer them to your YouTube channel. If you're a real estate agent and you don't have any work documented at all, how are you going to be able to sell yourself much? If you're showing homes on YouTube, or if you're showing your cooking skills on YouTube, if you're showing anything at all, if you're showing your art on YouTube, your music, people are going to, it's going to be easy to identify you and be like, okay, this is how you do it, this is what you do, you're really good at this, let's work with you to express your creativity. Nothing for me beats being able to just be free and express who I am and just live my life freely. There's nothing bigger than that for me. The 9 to 5 that we attend to and other hustles that we have, there's nothing better than YouTube in terms of being able to, or social media, let's just put it like that, in terms of being able to express your creativity and get rewarded for that as well. So YouTube is a platform for you to begin to show people who you are. Who you are is very important. You need to come out with who you are. You need to be authentic to yourself and to other people around you. You need to be true to yourself. You need to be true. Own up to the person that you are. I say this all the time in my videos because I understand the importance of ownership, the importance of coming out, identifying the person that you are and showing people this is who I am. I don't really care about what you're thinking of me, what you believe of me. I'm not going to succumb to your societal pressures and your environmental pressures, or your work pressures, or your family pressure, friendship, whatever that's like. Just disregard all that and own up to the person that you are, and just be yourself. Be yourself, okay? And once you're being yourself, people will be able to relate with you. People will be able to identify with you. People would love your content. It's going to be more connected, like it's going to be more relatable, okay? So expressing your creativity is a huge one. You have something right now that you're really good at. You can't tell me for any reason that there's nothing you're good at. It's impossible. It's impossible. If anything, you have the innate ability to do those things. You just need to sharpen them. You just need to refine them. You just need to get better at those things. And guess what? YouTube can make you get better at those things, which leads me to my next point, which is the personal development that you experience doing this. You're just going to get better. You're going to get better. You're going to get better. You're just going to get better. You're going to improve. You're going to improve your vocabulary. You're going to improve your audio. You're going to improve your videos. You're going to improve your conduct on camera. You're going to get better at this. It's just so weird sometimes, When I first started, I'm sitting down here and I'm like, I ain't really talking to anyone right now. How the hell am I just speaking to a camera? It's just like, it's so uncomfortable. But I can picture the person that I'm speaking with. I can picture them right now behind the camera. I can picture them and be like, yeah, that's who I'm speaking to. I have my audience set up in my mind, and I know how to relate to them, and I know how to portray myself, or at least I'm getting better at it. Because I'm doing this to also get better at delivering good quality videos, content, whatever that's like, something that would impact people or make a difference in their life. My motivation to you today is to start a channel, because there is nothing. Many surveys have said a lot of people want to be YouTubers. Many surveys have also said that YouTubers who are doing this work right now are feeling more and more fulfilled. You're getting much more rewarded for what you do. I mean, as versus like going to a 9 to 5 job. Many YouTubers earn thousands of dollars in a month and even more in a year. You can literally be making a lot more money, which is the next point. You will be making a lot more money doing this, and like, it's gonna be a struggle when you're first starting. For me, I ain't making nothing at all. I'm not monetized. I'm just starting my channel. And that's okay because I'm taking it easy on myself. I'm going gradually, and I'm persevering. And I'm going to continue to do this because I have a goal. It's not just about money for me. That's a reward that I get for the type of content that I put out there, for the kind of relatable videos that I make to people out there. And I'm always open to improvement, and I'm always open to getting better at what I'm doing. I'm not just closed off and not listening to any feedback or not listening to people. I'm very open to getting better and changing and improving upon whatever that I'm doing right now. You're going to go through a development that is so good, that is so refined. You would be surprised at the person you become tomorrow. Another reason you need to start a channel is the freedom that it gives you, which is by the time you start making money as well. Okay, the freedom you get from this is going to blow your mind. I ain't got no freedom yet. I'm still doing my 9-to-5 job, and I'm making out time to make my videos because I know one day I'll be retiring from 9 to 5, and I'm going to concentrate on my work. I'm going to concentrate on my work. I'm going to concentrate on you, my audience. I'm going to concentrate on you, giving you what is necessary for you to go forge ahead in whatever area of your life, especially as pertaining to dating, as pertaining to lifestyle, as pertaining to money. These are areas that I'm focusing on, and these are areas that I'm going to always get better at. I would make sure that, this is definitely making a change or a difference in your life first. So, like I said before, I'm still growing. I'm still getting better at this. And all I need is your support to keep growing. And I'm always here to support you as well by delivering what you need in these areas of life. The last thing I'm going to say here is that you have everything you need. I used to think that I didn't have the equipment, that I didn't have the necessary resources to start my channel. I didn't have this and I didn't have that. But hey, I have everything that I need. And most of you right now that I'm speaking to have what you need. You don't need a camera to even get started. To get started, you don't need a camera. Many years ago, my videos, I shot them on my Samsung, and even till now, I shoot some of my videos on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. You don't need the biggest gear to get started. Okay, right now, you have a phone in your hand. That's the phone you're gonna get started with. Don't let all these things confuse you. All this what is it called, tech, and a lot of information overload. Just pick up the camera and start. It's always good to make good videos as well, but you don't need to start making the best quality video to get started. Okay, there are cheap mic clips that you can put on your iPhone that you just speak, and even the iPhone microphone is really good. But as you grow, your needs will change. As you grow, your needs will change, and you begin to identify what you need. What you need, not what you think you need. You would see what you need, and you purchase it, and then it's gonna feel that need. Okay, so that's all I have for you today as regards to why you need to start a channel. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like I said before, we're still trying to get this channel to the level of to that level where the channel is going to grow and just keep growing and get better. So I just need your support with growing the channel. You can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and yeah, even if you don't like it, also dislike it, I don't mind that, but I'm going to get better at this, and I will see you on the next one. Once again, my name is Ike. Peace out.